Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of December. And as you know, they are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram where the readings done are different than these readings, and the link is given in the description box below. And though the name of the page is the same, Surabhi Tarot. Okay, so let's get started, Aries. Let's see what's there for you, Aries, for the last 15 days of December. Okay, so we have the Seven of Wands. Okay, Seven of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, the Devil. Okay, then the Queen of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, the Temperance, the Three of Wands, the Hierophant, the Six of Cups, shit, Tower, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Knight of Swords. Okay, Eight of Swords, Nine of Cups, and the Ace of Pentacles. I would like to see. So let's see what is the message from this deck for Aries. Okay, the Three of Hearts. Okay, what is the guidance from the angels? Okay, excuse me. So Aries, with the Seven of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, you are struggling to make a decision over here. So there is a situation in your life which is really not getting over, sort of. It is a struggle which you are not able to come out of, sort of. And the reason is perhaps you are not able to make a decision, or you really don't know how to come out of it. You're not able to, you're not able to find out the way out of it. Okay, so the struggle is either because of your own indecisiveness, or either you really don't know how to get out of this situation. You're not finding a way out. It can be that also. What I feel here is that it is something, going, it's either it can be that your life is going like this, ups and downs. For some of you it can be this also. Okay, it's like twisted, and it's up and down sort of a thing. It can be that maybe that is the situation of your life. It is a little bit twisted with ups and downs going on. It can be that also. Okay, and here we have the Devil card, the Queen of Wands, the Four of Wands, the Devil, the Queen of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, and the Temperance. So what I feel here is that, being the Devil over here, so what I feel is that whatever this reason is that you are not able to make a decision on or come out of a situation is because of something which is holding you back. Okay, so there is something in your psyche, in your mentality, or you are not able to think out of the box perhaps, or have an approach which is a little out of a box or different. Maybe you are trying the same approach can be some reason. So whatever this indecisiveness is something which is because of this devil, that you are not able to come out of this situation. We'll see what it is actually. Why are you not able to come out of this situation? So there is something negative and toxic, either tempting or addictive, whatever it is in your nature, it is in your circumstances, that you are not able to get rid of those circumstances or that person, whatever it is. So maybe that is what the struggle is all about. Okay, it is because of this devil that you are not able to come out of it, because of either maybe it's your habit, maybe it's your addiction, maybe it's your temptation, maybe you are used to this, maybe you don't have the guts to come out of it. Whatever it is because of this devil. But yes, you are trying to sort it out, because here we have the Queen of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, and the Temperance. So what I feel here is that you are holding back from a situation. You're holding back from a situation and you are trying to balance it. Okay, so definitely maybe you are working on it, though you know something is holding you back from either making a decision. It can be that also. Okay, so maybe it's your own, whatever I've already told you, or uh, maybe something is holding you back, but the thing is that you are really working on it. Whatever is holding you back, you are trying to come out of it. You are trying to work on this situation because you really want to make a decision here. And that is what I feel with the Four of Pentacles. I think here you are totally closed off. I think you are not juggling here. You have, with the Temperance over here, I think you are able to sort this situation and take a decision, and that decision seems to be that you have stopped dealing with the situation. Okay, with the Four of Pentacles, you are totally closed off, totally shut down. You have, this is the way, perhaps you have understood that this is the way to deal with this situation. Perhaps that if you are not able to fight it or say something to that person, if it's a person, then it is totally cut off from that situation, or stop talking to the person, stop investing in this person or the situation. So here with the Four of Pentacles, you have stopped investing in it, stopped showing your emotions. If it is a person, giving your time and energy to it. So this is how you have worked out this situation, and that is how you have gained the control back of yourself. And here what I feel is that the moment you shut down investing in this in this situation or showing your emotions, you're totally cut off basically. So whatever your investment was, in the form of time, in the form of energy, in the form of money, in the form of feelings, whatever it was, that you have totally shut down. Okay, and you have totally retreated over here to some extent, closed off, and that is the decision you have taken. And here what I feel is, once you are able to do it, you are at peace with yourself. So you are totally detached and closed off from the situation, whatever the situation is which was causing you a lot of struggle. And here what I feel is, with the Three of Wands, with the Hierophant, you are ready to take a different journey, turning your back to the situation. What I feel here is that you are leaving this situation, totally detaching from this situation or this person, whosoever it is. You've stopped investing in it, you've sorted out your life, you've regained the control back, you are at peace with yourselves now. You feel that you've taken the right decision, and here you are ready to embark on a new journey, and you are being blessed by your guides and angels and spirits and God. That's what I feel. The path now you are trying to tread, or is something which is right, and that's what I'm getting there, as if you are getting the blessings that now you are on the right path, sort of. One more thing which I'm getting here is that, are you going home? You're going to your near and dear ones. This different journey that you are embarking on What I feel here is that as if you're returning home. Okay, you are going to your loved ones, be it your family, be it your parents, be it your spouse, be it your friends, whatever your marital status or relationship status is, but you are going back to your loved ones. Okay, so what I feel here is with the temperance and all this situation, that once you are done with it and you stop investing in it, here you are being blessed that now you're on the right path. Maybe with the Hierophant here, I think maybe you are going in for a reconciliation. You are going in to meet your loved ones. That is for sure. Now, it can be a relationship, it can be your parents, it can be your loved ones, whosoever it is. It's like you are going back home. That's what I would like to say. Okay, and I'm saying it can be a relationship because we have the Hierophant here. Okay, with the Hierophant here, for the first thing which I feel is it is the blessings which you are getting, that you are on the right path, or the decision which you are taking now is the right decision. Okay, and that again and again I'm getting a strong vibe as if somebody is returning home. So you are returning home. This is the key message which I am getting till now. Okay, that's what I feel. So it can be that you are returning to your ex, or your somebody whom you were separated from, or you were maybe this was a decision which you were trying to take. Maybe this was the decision you were trying to take. Maybe it can be the same situation also. It can be a different situation in which you stopped investing. It can be this. Okay, and one more thing is which I am getting, it can be for some of you that maybe this is the decision which you actually wanted to take, that should I go there or shouldn't I reconcile with them or go back home. Maybe you were out for some, maybe you had some issue and that is why you were separated from them or you left them, but now this is the tough decision which you were trying to take, and maybe once you are able to sort it out. And here with the Four of Pentacles, here what I feel is that maybe you are not even telling them that you are coming, so you are just, it's like giving them a surprise sort of. Okay, it can be that also, that is what you are trying to do, giving them a surprise, and that is why you are closed off over here, not telling them that, but you are at peace with the fact that the decision is right, and here you are going to meet your loved ones. That is for sure, whosoever that loved one is. Okay, and following it we have the Tower and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so what I feel here is with the Tower and the Wheel of Fortune, what I feel is it is an unexpected change of events. As I said, that what I felt was that whosoever you are going to deal with is going back home, be it the same person that you were deciding upon, or leaving this person and going back home to a previous person, but it is something unexpected change of events in the situation which the other person is not expecting. Maybe they don't know because you didn't tell them. It can be that, or maybe your ex or the person whom you are returning to, or your loved ones whom you are returning to, they were not expecting that you will ever be back, or you will be back soon, or at that point in time you are coming back. So whatever it is, it looks like an unexpected change of events in a positive direction, not in a, I don't see it as a negative direction. Okay, and here again we have the Knight of Swords, the Eight of Swords, the Nine of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. So what I feel here is with the Knight of Swords and the Eight of Swords, that you are coming out of this. And one thing is, as I said, it is an unexpected change of circumstances that you have come back home. It can be this, to reconcile with them. And one more unexpected, it can be this also, that once you have returned home, the unexpected change is that whatever was holding you back, the circumstances which were holding you back, you were not able to make a decision, you were not able to come out of it, you are leaving those behind, and you are rushing in towards the person you love, or the people who love you, whom you love. Okay, so this is all this, it talks to me about that also. This can be an unexpected change of events this side also, because it is leaving behind this Eight of Swords energy, moving and rushing in towards the person you love with this rapid energy. So this is a contrast energy over here. Something is totally holding you back, you can't step out, and here you just rush in towards that person. So this also is something unexpected. So unexpected change of events, or can be both things. So one thing is that you've come back and then you are opening up also, you're rushing in also towards them very, very passionately. So it's like that. And here we have the Nine of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles, pointing towards 100% wish fulfillment, a new beginning, emotional contentment, stability is there on the card. So what I feel here is that it is something very very beautiful which is coming in, and you've taken the right decision. And the thing is that you are really opening up the right vistas for you in life. Okay, from this deck we have the Three of Hearts, which is talking about celebrations, happiness, reunions. Okay, and the guidance from the angels is Ace of Thought. The cherub has arrived to congratulate you on a brilliant new idea which is truly inspired. It's important to communicate clearly and thoroughly with others who are involved in implementation of your idea. Do not be dissuaded by little challenges along the way. It is merely a course of correction to perfect your plan. So basically it is a new time, it's a congratulations, you're bringing in happy times to your life, and just sort things out whatever they are. And if you feel there is anything which is coming as a barrier to you, you just need to understand that it is just transient and everything will fade away, and all the problems will be solved, and you will just move in very passionately towards this new beginning and wish fulfillment. So Aries, a beautiful energy for you. This is the last in I should say bi-monthly at least for the year. So anyway, I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.